Welcome to Psychology Facts. Here are some hurting truths about human behavior. People often only care about you if you're attractive, wealthy, or famous. How much money you have often affects the respect you receive from others. Many people avoid befriending those who are poor. People love hearing sweet lies but dislike the bitter truth. Wisdom doesn't come with age but through different experiences. Learn to share only what others deserve to know. Speak less. Some people may seem friendly, but betray you behind your back. Be cautious. We spend our lives chasing money, but leave the world empty-handed. Nothing lasts forever. Everything is temporary. Only a few friends truly want you to succeed. Others may secretly hope for your failure. Discrimination based on race, caste, or religion is a sad reality. Aging is inevitable. Everyone has to grow old. Most people only listen to what they want to hear, ignoring other opinions. Think as you like, but behave like others. Use absence to increase respect and honor. Do not build fortresses to protect yourself. Isolation is dangerous. Do not go past the mark you aimed for. In victory, learn when to stop. Win through your actions, never through an argument. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Never appear too perfect. Always say less than necessary. Solitude is empowering. It teaches you to rely on yourself. The better you understand yourself, the less you need validation from others. True clarity in relationships comes when you're comfortable being alone.